Stop struggling with outdoor photography. If you've ever tried to scout the perfect location, wait for the right wind, or spend hours in Photoshop trying to fake a dramatic sky, you're working too hard. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a simple indoor headshot and place yourself in a high-end cinematic outdoor environment using Google Gemini and the Nano Banana model. We're building an entire world from the swaying grass to the moody, overcast sky with just one smart prompt. Google Gemini is your director. It sets the scene. Nano Banana is your lens. It's the model inside Gemini that handles the expensive look like natural lighting and fabric textures. The first step is to go to Google Gemini and click the Create Image button. This will provide you with a few options, but we are going to disregard them. Instead, upload your anchor photo first. Use a clear, well-lit headshot. Avoid hats or heavy makeup so the AI can stay consistent. Then enter this prompt. A cinematic side view, expressive portrait of a woman. Use the uploaded picture as reference for the face, standing in the middle of a tall grassy field under a dramatic windy, cloudy sky. She wears a loose dark green button-up shirt that flows naturally with her movement. The perspective is low angle, making her appear powerful against the vast, moody sky. The color palette is muted with desaturated greens and grays. Style, indie film still, aspect ratio 16:9, landscape. Click Enter. Inexperienced users would say put me in a field, which results in AI mush. We specified a low angle and desaturated greens. By giving the AI technical camera terms and a specific color palette, you force it to be precise. Describing the flow of the shirt creates motion, making it feel like a captured moment, not a static render. Look at that! We went from a simple headshot to a fine art film still in under 5 minutes. You didn't touch a single adjustment brush. The AI automatically handles the complex overcast lighting and wind physics, sophisticated technical tasks that would typically take a professional editor hours to fake manually. If the face looks off, don't start over. Use a follow-up prompt. Keep the lighting, but make the features more closely resemble the anchor photo. Gemini knows the context, so it will refine the face without changing the world you just built. The barrier to professional photography is gone. Grab a headshot, use the prompt, and see the results. Subscribe for more AI workflows that actually save you time. Go create something incredible. I will see you in the next video.